Now, Claude Scruggs is undoubtedly one of everyone's favourite Piston Cup racers, including mine. And, well, why would that be, you may ask? Well, I guess it's because he's, one of the original Piston Cup racers to be, released in, diecast form. Um, you know, um, and he was, most prominent, and in the film, he was most prominently seen, with Todd Marcus, when they were on top of each other. That probably gained a bit of, recognition and, whatnot. And that's probably why he's gained such a cult following within the Disney Cars community. And overall, I just like him. I mean, when have you seen a yellow, white, and black Piston Cup racer? And yes, I know Slide. What's his face? Slider Patrolski, but yeah, but Husker Morocco. When have you seen a yellow, black, and white Husker Morocco? You name me one time. I thought so. You couldn't name me a time because there isn't, and that's why I like him so much. Let's have a closer look. So, elite class, your adult drip pants, so adult nappies basically. And I know the logo is slightly slanted as well, which is cool. It was also inside a little black line. Brilliant. Number 52, as I'm sure you all know. Yeah. Yellow wheels with black light year tyres. Now that was actually quite abstract. If that's what the word even means, I don't know what the word means. Abstract. Yeah, well, it's quite a bit of bubbles or circles. Don't know what that's meant to represent, if anything. Still, going up to the back, you have, watch your wheels. Wonder why he's saying watch your wheels. Maybe because, I don't know, maybe because you pick up, maybe because, his tyres, wheels will pick up tyre marbles, potentially. I don't know. Another leakless logo. Just a full black back. Look at that. This is what I mean. This is the Thailand variant. And, well, the most distinguishable feature is, the eyes. And they're a lot different than the China ones, let me tell you. Overall, he's just a really cool car. Have a great day, folks.